Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a chart that has really performed very well in the last few weeks. I'm talking about the SUI chart. Anyway, it's probably been one of the winners of the current cycle and I know it is a very popular chart. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description. If you want to register, you can do that for free and you get access to all of these Elliott wave updates on our website. We select the cryptocurrencies section here, click on SUI, and we select the 1 day time frame. Very important to always get a good idea of the overall bigger picture, larger time frame. And you can see that here on the SUI chart, on the daily chart, the market is likely moving up in this sequence of 1-2 setups. So the idea is we had a wave 1, this was the original rally into the 2024 high, then a wave 2 pullback, this correction which set the stage for a third wave rally that is likely now unfolding. Magenta wave 3, you don't even see it on the chart. In Magenta wave 3, however, we also have a 5-wave pattern to the upside, and wave 1 likely topped end of 2024. We have probably bottomed in wave 2 in April at around $1.74. Now, I think I mentioned it already in the last video. It could very well be that we're forming another low here, but we only assume that this is the case with a 30% likelihood. So it's not the preferred interpretation that we will break here below the April low. The idea is that we are likely on our way higher in blue wave 3, and it should take the price above $5.36, which is the swing high that formed, I think it was January this year. So with a 70% likelihood, we assume that a low is in, and we're likely working our way higher in a 5-wave pattern in blue wave 3. As I said, the $5.36 level would need to be broken to the upside to confirm that further. I would say this chart shows very clearly where the journey is going. $10 to $15 plus is the expectation. Looking at the shorter time frame, this is where it's getting interesting. And why do we assume a low is in? Because we seem to be working on a 5-wave pattern upside impulse. In the very short term, the market should ideally hold above the $3.12 level. And we've already seen a break above the previous swing highs. The market is currently dancing above these previous highs. Ultimately, what the expectation is that the market is currently working on an internal 5th wave in a larger 3rd wave. Then we can still get a 4th wave and a 5th wave, which might again form a wave 1. Depending on how high it extends, it might be all of the blue wave 3, but that's not necessarily expected. Important is also that our trading area was reached here recently in May at $3.12. The price reacted and rallied nicely. So now we should be in the late stages of wave 5 in green of orange wave 3. And actually it looks like that green wave 5 might form another high. Now, as I said, what really shouldn't happen at this point is that we break below $3.12. Now, what happens if, what happens if that happens? Well, the wave structure would likely shift, and we might already interpret this as a full 5-wave move up as an alternative scenario. If we then come down, it is important that the market then below $3.12 holds above $2.02 or at least $1.74. So these would be the next main support levels then, At the same time, if we now break below $3.12, it will increase the probabilities that we could have already seen a major top, and we also break below $1.74. So all I'm saying, the probabilities will likely increase, but we can still then watch if the market can generate a higher low. We might then add another trading area or support area. But for now, it seems that against $3.12, the direct trend is up, and medium term, we should see the market get above $5, $6, and so on. So that's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on our website. You can do it completely for free. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies, charts, stock charts you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.